When looking into digital banking, a common question people ask is whether Starling Bank charges a monthly account fee. The short answer is that Starling Bank does not charge a monthly account maintenance fee for its standard personal current accounts, joint accounts, or standard business and sole trader accounts held in British pounds. For personal banking customers, core features such as domestic transfers, everyday debit card spending, and standard UK ATM withdrawals come with zero monthly subscriptions. You can open and manage your everyday current account without worrying about a recurring maintenance charge eating into your balance. Similarly, small business owners and sole traders using Starling standard GBP business accounts benefit from free day-to-day UK banking with no monthly account fees. You can send and receive money via faster payments, set up direct debits, and manage your cash flow through their app without paying a subscription fee just to keep the account open. However, it is important to note that while the core accounts are free, certain optional add-ons, specialized currency accounts, or specific transactions do carry costs. For instance, if you choose to open a secondary business account in euros or US dollars, those specific foreign currency accounts do incur a small monthly fee. Optional advanced business features, such as specialized bookkeeping toolkits or bulk payment add-ons, also require a monthly subscription. Additionally, specific cash transactions, like depositing physical cash at a post office counter, incur percentage-based or flat service fees. Specialized domestic transfers requiring CHAPS also carry a one-off fee per transaction. In summary, if you are using standard personal or business accounts for everyday domestic banking, you will not pay a monthly account fee. Just make sure to review the fee schedule if you plan on utilizing international currency accounts or specialized business add-ons. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.